Hello, my name is John Wicks here at North Trail RV in Fort Myers, Florida, and I'm excited to bring to you the all-new 2024 Supreme Aire by Newmar. We'll start off here at the front of the coach. The exciting thing about Newmar's largest Super C, which sits on the Freightliner M2 112 chassis. Now the 112 chassis, which is the upgrade over the 106 M2 chassis, gives you a DD13, which is almost a 13-liter Detroit diesel motor with 525 horsepower. With a strong 4,000 Allison transmission, once we get to the back, you'll see this coach at actually 40 foot can pull 30,000 pounds from the rear tongue. Walking through across the coach, you'll see it's got the big Girard canopy awnings. Taking a look at the underneath of the Supreme Aire, you'll notice that they do offer a nice fridge freezer on a slide tray with some more 110 and 12 volt plug-ins in the bay. You'll get the large 40-inch Samsung 4K TV with the Bose soundbar. Now from here you can play your TV, but it also is connected to the front dash radio. So again, if you want to play your Sirius radio or Bluetooth through it, you have that capability. Now again, the M2 chassis is actually what they call a twin screw coach. So this coach has dual 20,000 pound rear end with an 18,000 pound front. It's a 58,000 pound coach carrying capability in a 40 foot. So again, the carrying capacity of this coach is massive, along, like I discussed, with the 30,000 pound towing in the back. As we get to the back of the coach, you'll see where a lot of the storage capability is found, understanding the motor is in the front of this coach. So that's what opens up the back, where we have a nice pass-through storage area here. You can also see the rear egress door. This coach is a bath and a half. So again, you have an egress door in the back for an easy way to get out of the coach if there was an emergency. Walking around the back, you'll see Newmar's signature air dam. Again, the great thing about Newmar's design with their air dam is as you're traveling down the road, it creates an air vortex. It's actually going to blow all that dirt and debris out behind your coach. Moving around to the road side of the coach, you'll see where the generator is found. Again, the coach is powered by a 12.5 diesel Awning generator, which is the largest in the industry. Heading back towards the dump bay, you'll see the coach comes standard with the Santicon Turbo, which is a quick and easy way to dump your waste. It pumps all your waste out. You'll have all digital readouts of all your tank display back here from the Silverleaf. And it also has electric, black, and gray tank dumps. And a nice feature for 24 is the coach comes with two 320 amp hour lithium batteries with a dual 3,000 watt inverters. Before we head up in the coach, it is good to point out the triple HWH step. It's a nice, easy way to get up inside the coach and keeps you low to the ground while you're entering the coach. Stepping into the 24 Supreme Aire, you'll see it has the Villa furniture, full polished porcelain floor. Galley, you're going to have a large double bowl stainless sink, along with the true induction cooktop that is still able to be taken out of the coach, plugged in, and used outside, along with the Fisher Paykel dishwasher. And they've done a nice job with the cabinetry here with the built-in pullouts, making everything very accessible. Moving back through the coach, again, this is a bath and a half. Again, still in a 40 foot, so you're going to have a half bath here. 3-door Whirlpool refrigerator. Walking into the rear bedroom, is a full-size king bed. And again, being a 40-foot coach, sometimes it's hard getting all the space built in. You're going to have two large wardrobes in the bedroom. So one on either side of the TV. 6 large drawers, along with ample storage underneath the bed. And as you walk into the rear bath, you're going to have yet another large full-length hanging wardrobe where the safe is located. In the back of the bath, you'll have your dual stack washer dryer. And at the Supreme Aire level, you'll have full hand-laid tiles in the shower. So the front cockpit will now have color matching front driver and passenger seats with the two-tone leather, same that's found on the Villa sofa. Your front dash will have a different heads-up display along with a bigger LCD monitor for your navigation and for your radio controls. Again, my name is John Wicks here at North Trail RV in Fort Myers, Florida. I hope you enjoyed the video of the all-new 2024 Newmar Supreme Aire. Please like and subscribe.